Hello guys, not day 2. The second video of reading Heart of the Books. Yeah, that's me. Don't let me do this. You're gonna help me open this first. I don't know where my mom got this Walmart. So I this book. Where does it start? That's one. Okay. We're gonna read the Chosen One. Chapter 2, The Chosen One. A long time ago. Yeah. Neighborhood far away. This is a cute baby. Yeah, I figured. Lived with the mama. Was a mama and a daddy. Let me guess, his name was Daddy. How did you know? What did you say with it? Well, we all lived in a tiny bungalow together. Sorry. Makes sense. And our lives were ordinary. Then one night, everything changed. Well, what happened? A beam of light pierced the sky upon shine us, filling our home with strange radiance. Daddy went out to investigate, then looked up and saw a UFO. Daddy told the UFO to go away. Now, see here. And soon it did. But then, glink. Wow. Grinkle, grinkle, grinkle. Hey! We just got a message from the UFO. Yeah, who cares? It says that our child will fulfill super actions of works and save the universe. Let me see that. Your child the chosen one day. This ring will totally help your child fulfill super actions of works like save the universe and jump peace out, bruh. But where's the ring? Jeez whiz, I don't know. And so they searched and searched, but they never found the ring. Oh, ain't that too bad? Well, I saw a UFO once too. And my story is way better than yours. It is, yeah.